Here we will show you the operation of our 12-cylinder double diamond test bench. This is a dual motor, dual operator test bench wherein both the motors can be operated simultaneously, either on the first side, which is the side for testing inline rotary EDC pumps Euro 1, Euro 2, Euro 3, or on the second side, which is a dedicated common rail injector and pump testing side. Both the sides can be operated simultaneously with two operators. Now we'll show you the working of the first side. Now we are switching on the machine. This is the main motor switch. There are 4 pressure gauges here. These are analog pressure gauges, and also these pressure gauges are available on the software in the digital form. This is the software. It shows the RPM and the different pressure gauges in digital form, like the MPC pressure gauge, high-low pressure gauge, and inlet pressure gauge, as well as transfer pressure gauge. Reverse forward switch to choose the direction of rotation. Green button is used for increasing the RPM and the red one is used for decreasing it. Here we are testing a VE rotary pump. It's off. Setting the stroke. The test tube. This side is still operational. We'll show you the testing, common rail injector testing on the other side. This is to switch on the fuel supply. This is the inlet pressure gauge for the common rail pump, which you adjust through this pressure control valve. Main switch, the green one for on and the red one for off. The direction switch, and now he's increasing the RPM, which is visible here on the Stardex software. This side is powered by a Stardex common rail injector and pump simulator, which is capable of testing all types of common rail injectors, as all test plans inbuilt, or can also do injector coding. and can be operated in fully automatic mode. Here we are testing a Bosch common rail injector. Injector part number is 0445110519. So from the list first we select the injector that we are testing. We select the injector part number. And now we'll show you how to do the testing. In the test plan mode you have different tests, but you can choose which test you want to do at what time. So it's like a semi-automatic mode. Now we started the first test, which is the backflow test. The flows are visible on the small Stardex screen as well. The same thing is visible on the Stardex software screen. Here the pump and the injector is mounted. The panel is completely shielded for protection. The doors are slidable, they can be moved, opened. 4 filters are connected before the 4 flow meters, which are inbuilt in the Stardex device. Now once the result has stabilized, you click on store, you go to the report part and you can check. The nominal flow range is the flow according to the test plan, what the flow should be, and 39.6 is the actual backflow that we are getting. So it is within range. Now we will show you the maximum load output delivery test, wherein we measure the injector output delivery. So you just have to simply select the test and click on the start button, and then the test runs automatically. Whatever is the set pressure is achieved automatically, and then the reading is calculated digitally on the flow meter. You click on store to save the test result to the test report. As you can see, the actual delivery reading that we got was 89.3 and it is out of the nominal flow range. That is why it is marked in red. एक और will show you another test, emission point test, which is at a lower pressure and a lower pulse width. In this we measure the injector output delivery as well. Click on store to save the test result once the reading has stabilized. And as you can see again, the test result 12.4 is out of the nominal flow range and it is marked in red. So like we did these 3 tests, you can do any number of tests that are available, and then you can just keep storing the test results. Once you're done, you can stop the test and then save the
रिपोर्ट में आना नहीं
प्रिंट दिखाओ, फिर से करो, दिखाए ही नहीं, तो आराम से करो ना. So now once you're done with the test, to save the results to the PDF, you click on print and click on save to PDF. Then the results are saved outside in the folder, in the reports folder on the Stardex software screen. So here you can see the injector part number that we had selected, and here you see one of the test results. Here, this is the correct report for the 3 tests that we did. So this report is in the form of a PDF. You can email it to your customer or you can print it out. As you can see, both the sides of the machine, they are operating simultaneously. ये side रोक दो. Now is stopping this side of the machine. This side is still operational. So on this Stardex system you can similarly test all kinds of common rail pumps as well. You can test the rail DRV, the rail pressure sensor, injector solenoid resistance. All the test plans are inbuilt.